Praise the Lord.
Jangu oyogere naffe mu linnya lya Kitaffe n'Omwana n'Omwoyo Omutukuvu.
Mu liina lya Kibumba Isaife n'Omwana n'Omwoyo Omwamufu.
So that the two become one in flesh.
Okolwekyo ababiri abo beeyimbe baba omuntu mulala mu mubiri.
This is the day that the Lord has made.
Luno olunaku musengwa lwalonze.
This is the day for Isebantu Kyabazinga William and Inebantu Jovia Mutesi.
Luno olunaku lwa baba ife Isebe na baba na Diope ni mama Jovia Mutesi.
This is the day for Busoga Kingdom.
Luno olunaku olwa Kyabazinga bwa Busoga.
I am reminded of the words of a psalmist.
Ndidukizibwa lw'ebigambo ebya Zabuli.
When the Lord brought his people from exile, it was like a dream.
Katonda waife bwe yatwala abantu mu bwanganguse lwaboneka ng'ekirooto.
We were filled with laughter
Twayiduzibwa enseko mu kusagamba.
and sang for joy.
Twayemba ku lw'okusanuka.
And everybody said, the Lord has done great things for us.
Buli muntu yakoba Katonda atukolera ebikolobo baasanuka bonabona.
To God be the glory.
Ekitiibwa kibe eri Katonda waife.
Let me congratulate Kyabazinga William and Inebantu for this achievement.
Kandozeeyoze baba waife Isebantu ni mama Inebantu olw'obuganguzi buno.
Thank you for making a good choice.
Weebale okulondera erala
And for having
eitungulu lyene.
a wedding done in the church.
Ate nga kiri okolebwa mu kanisa.
I love the Kyabazinga. He knows how to make choices.
Ngonza Kyabazinga ono ayidi bw'alonda obutuufu.
You know, he supports the younger people and he supports football and he loves Arsenal.
Agagira abaana abato, yagagira omupiira, ate mugagizi wa Arsenal.
When he chose Arsenal, which is my team, I knew he's a man who knows how to make choices.
Bwe yalonda okuwagira Arsenal ate nga zena yempagira n'amanya mule nti ayidde okulonda obutuufu.
Let me congratulate the parents of Inebantu for this joy and pride of having your daughter becoming the mother of many.
Ndozaayoza abazaire ab'amaama waife Inebantu olw'ekitiibwa kino Katonda kyalese.
Your status has been elevated.
Ekitiibwa kyaimwe kiniini amadaala.
Even the village where she comes from has changed now.
N'ekyalo maama kwazaalibwa kikyuse.
The clan and the chiefdom.
Ekika n'obwensikira n'obwo.
People from Buna, this is your pride.
Abantu abavu ebuna eno n'ensonga ey'ennono.
I suggest that since we have a lord named after Queen Victoria and a lake named after Queen Victoria, we should have a road named after Inebantu Jovia.
Bwe tuli n'iloogi eyanekuba Victoria n'enanda eyeteba Victoria kansabe nti gaida kubaga ekifo kituumibwe Inebantu.
Especially that road which goes to her village.
Naddala oluguudo olwo olujja ku kyalo maama yazaalibwa.
I want to congratulate all the villagers there. All the women of that village are now elevated.
Ndozaayoza ab'ekyalo ekyo n'ayozaayoza abakazi ku kyalo ekyo kifuuse ensonga.
I congratulate the kingdom for having mama. The queen is in the palace.
Ndozaayoza obwa Kyabazinga bwa Busoga olw'okufuna Inebantu ekifo ekisinga bunene.
I congratulate the kingdom. I congratulate the Basoga and all God's people for this blessing.
Ndozaayoza obwakabaka bwa Kyabazinga abasoga ku lw'obuwanguzi buno.
I congratulate the Bishop of Busoga and Central Busoga
omulabirizi wa Busoga n'omulabirizi wa Central Busoga
for having your cathedral chosen for this royal wedding.
olw'okulondebwa cathedral eno eya Christ Cathedral okulondebwa okufa ekifo okw'okuyimikizaamu abagole baife.
I must also thank God for choosing me through the Kyabazinga to officiate at this royal wedding. I can't take it for granted.
Nebaza Katonda kulondebwa okulembera okusaba kuno tikitwala butwale nti kigwire obugwe.
I want to congratulate each and every person who has played a role. You must thank God that you are here today.
Ntozaayoza buli ababaire kye batayiremu ate ekikulu kyene ntuliga n'olwaleero.
I must appreciate God for Mr. Charles Magumba, whom the Kyabazinga sent to us to break the news of this wedding, and the rest is now history. Mr. Magumba, tusangaire ino, tusangaire irala, musengwa kuwenkabi.
Bana ekyo baba akimaze okukikyusa.
I appreciate the legal team that guided us in this matter.
Yebaza ekitongole ekinamateeka ekitubudyebudye ku nsonga eno.
Led by our provincial chancellor, Mr. Naboth Muhairwe, and also Mr. Emmanuel Bamwite.
Kikulembeirwa chancellor w'obwa Ssabalabirizi mwami Naboth Muhairwe ne chancellor w'obulabirizi mwami Emmanuel Bamwite.
Thank you for leading us very well.
Mwebale nnyo okutukulembera obulungi mutyo.
Because there were certain things and we had to look at it from the spiritual, theological and legal point of view.
Ensonga zibayirewo nga ziringirwako mu mbeera y'omwoyo, embeera y'amateeka n'ey'okusomesa Bayibuli kyekoba.
Let me appreciate other legal team members who helped us. Honorable Justice Batema, Senior Residence Judge at Iganga.
Nebaza n'ab'ekitongole ky'amateeka abatuyambye naddala His Lordship Justice David Batemandi Kabona ow'Iganga.
And also Honorable Justice Duncan Gaswaga.
N'omulamuzi oyo His Lordship Duncan Gaswaga.
Also our friend Honorable Agure Chibenge, Permanent Secretary, Minister of Gender, Labor and Social Development.
Ni mwami Agure Chibenge omugandisi ow'enkalakalira mu ministry ey'ekikula eky'abantu.
Owekitiibwa Alex Ruganda, Attorney General in the Kingdom, was very, very supportive.
Owekitiisa mwami Ruganda ali mu kitongole ekyo ekinamateeka.
Allow me to thank Reverend Professor Dr. Sam Ruboga and Mama Christine, whom has signed the duty of doing premarital counseling as a medical doctor, and the one who has been married for 50 years. They have a lot of experience.
Kanebaze Reverend Dr. Professor Ruboga Sam ni Mama Christine olw'omulimu gwe bakoze okubudaabuda abagole ku nsonga ez'ekifumbo ate nga basawo bazira nteebereza ya bwire mu bye bakoze.
Genesis chapter 2 verse 24.
Olube amainama ensula yakubiri olunyirwa 18.
God intended that there should be marriage.
Katonda yateekateeka nti gateekwa okubaawo okweyimba.
Each time God created something, he said, it is good.
Buli Katonda kiyatangawo kiyabumbanga yakubanga ati kirungi.
4 times he said it was good.
Emirundi ena mirambanga akoba ati kirungi.
But listen to this.
Aye wulirisa kino.
In Genesis chapter 2 verse 18.
Mu Mainama ensula y'okubiri olunyirwa 18.
And now he said everything was very good.
Yakoba ati buli kintu kabiri kirungi nno.
Good.
Kirungi.
4 times.
Emirundi emikuzi ena.
And now he said very good.
Kuno Yakoba ati kirungi nno.
But Genesis 2:18 he said it is not good.
Amainama 2:18 Yakoba ati aye ti kirungi.
This is the first time we see God saying it is not good.
N'omukuzi ogusooka Katonda ng'alikoba ati ti kirungi.
What is that which God said is not good?
Niki ekyo omusengwa kye Yakoba ati ti kirungi.
He said
Yakoba
it's not good for man to be alone.
Ati ti kirungi omusaadha okuba yenka.
It's not good for Kyabazinga to be alone.
Nga ti kirungi Kyabazinga waife okuba yenka ng'awolongera.
It's not good for people to be alone.
Nga ti kirungi abantu okuba omukuwolongera.
God saw everything he had created was good.
Katonda yabonanga buli kiyatonda kirungi.
But one thing he said not good was for a man to be alone.
Aye kirala kye Yakoba ti kirungi nekyo omusaadha okuba yenka ng'awolongera.
And he created him.
Yamutonda.
Adam, he gave him Eve.
Adamu yamuwa Eva.
Listen to this.
Wulirisa kino.
Adam and Eve, not Adam and Steve.
Adamu nikawa ti Adamu nikawa bante kuntya nga tikawa musaada.
So I want to take note of this.
Muchetegereze.
Marriage is between Adam and Eve, not Adam and Steve.
Obufumbo buli hagati ga Adamu nikawa musaada na mukazi ti musaada na musaada kuba Steve yaba musaada.
Therefore,
N'olwekyo
marriage
obufumbo
is God's idea.
kirowoozo kya Katonda mwene.
It wasn't any man's initiative.
Kikyali kutandika kuvumbuza kwa muntu owabuli.
And therefore,
N'olwekyo
it must be kept in its original form.
kiteekwa okukuumibwa mu mbeera yaako ye kyatandikibwa.
One thing to note
Kirala kite ky'okwetegereza
between a man and a woman.
hagati w'omusaadha n'omukazi.
Secondly,
Ekyokubiri,
God removed only one rib out of Adam.
Katonda yatoolamu olubirizi lulala mu Adamu.
Only one rib.
Lulala luti.
Only one rib.
Lulala luti.
Which means
Ekitegeeza
marriage is between one man and one woman.
obufumbo kitegeeza ki bwa musaadha mulala na mukazi mulala.
I am hearing some discussions in the parliament, but the truth is one man and one woman.
Mpulira ebiri kuteesebwa mu paalamenti eya Uganda ekituufu kiri nti musaadha mulala na mukazi mulala.
Hallelujah.
Mukama yeebazibwe.
This is very important.
Kino kikulu ino.
Why was marriage put in place?
Lwaki obufumbo bwateebwawo?
3 important reasons.
Ensonga enkulu 3.
Companionship,
Kugemaganira walala,
friendship,
mukwano.
and that's very important.
Ate ekyo kikulu ino.
I have seen already Kyabazinga here.
Olwedde embwa ine baba ife